Have you ever wondered what someone really meant by mindfulness? Hello, I'm Dan Clark, and welcome to 2 Minutes of Inspiration. To me, mindfulness simply means that I'm aware of what's happening around me or being fully present. Now, that's not possible to be mindful all the time, but mindfulness also means this, that I'm mindful about what I'm thinking. Yes, I'm engaged with my thoughts. That means that I just had this thought. I don't like that person. I don't want to think that thought. That's mindfulness, right? And when you practice mindfulness, you can actually help reduce stress, improve focus, and actually enhance your emotional well-being. I love you when you have mindfulness. I love me when I'm more mindful. And when I'm mindful of what I'm saying that's negative, I'm like, oh, I don't like me right now, but I'm mindful that I don't like me right now, so I'm going to start liking me. That's being mindful. It's a fun little journey. So if you're practicing mindfulness and you catch yourself being on the negative side of mindfulness, turn it around and make it something that's more positive. Again, what you're doing is you're reducing stress and you're helping your resilience and helping you step into a healthier mindset and also more healthy physical bodies too. Hey, I love you. I'm Dan Clark.